Good day everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, and in this one I'm showing you how to export script video by Gemini. Okay, and the fastest way to move your script is through the Share and Export menu. So just look at the bottom of your response that you've just generated, and if you have it, you click on these three dots and Export to Docs. This is your first options. And after that, Gemini instantly creates a new Google Doc in your drive with all your script formatting, so headers, timestamps, and bullet points perfectly preserved. And also, guys, if you wish, you can use also in other tools. For example, you can use a AI exporter extension for your browser. So you can just search for it. So yeah, let's just choose AI exporter Chrome extension. There you go. And you can just choose the first one that pops up. There you go, you can add it to Chrome. And with one click on the sidebar, you can download your script as a professional PDF or a JSON file if you're feeding it into a teleprompter app, for example. And these exports now include also model versioning, so you know exactly which version of Gemini helped write the script for your archive records. And that's it. Should be getting your results in no time. Enjoy the video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.